In this video, we'll see how to check whether or not a key is in a dictionary using Python. To have an example, let's imagine that I'm using a Python dictionary to keep track of my employees' names and their ID numbers. So I have a mapping from ID numbers to employee names. If I would like to know whether employee ID number 2 is inside of my employees dictionary, I can use the key to, the keyword in, and then the name of my data structure, employees. And Python lets us know that this key is indeed in my dictionary. If the key were not in my dictionary, like employee number 4, Python would return false. Now, in dictionaries, this is a very, very fast operation. We can find out how fast it is by using the magic timeit function built into IPython. And depending on your architecture, this should take somewhere between 10 and 50 nanoseconds to compute. Now, what's particularly important about this is this operation happens in constant time. So it doesn't matter how big your dictionary gets. If it takes 45 nanoseconds on your computer for a small dictionary, it will also take 45 nanoseconds for a very large one.